And I can't believe I'm doing this. Like, I never thought I'm gonna vlog my birthday, but here we are. And today is my birthday eve. Like, basically tomorrow is my birthday, so I think this is what it is, right? Ek din pehle you count it as a birthday eve. So anyway, today is 8th of August and it's my birthday, guys. I don't know, like, to be really honest, I have no expectations whatsoever, because I know, like, this is such a, you know, like a difficult situation for everybody, so I can't expect my friends to do anything for me. And it's really risky outside, so I don't have any plans also as of now. So let's see where this vlog goes, because I don't really have anything exciting going on for my birthday. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this vlog, by the way. So let's see. Anyway, that's not the point. I'm starting this vlog right now and it is gonna be 9 in like 10 minutes. And I'm really hungry for now, so I'm just gonna go and make myself some dinner, because I don't wanna eat like boring roti woti right now. I'm not in the mood at all. So yes. So guys, right now I'm in the kitchen. Power cut हो चुका है. And जिस area में मैं रहती हूँ वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा power cut होता है, by the way. So that's bad. And right now I am making some Szechuan fried rice. Like simple recipe, like just took some leftover rice which I had, and then I just added this Szechuan fried rice masala. Like, if you haven't tried it, try it. It's really nice. And here we are. Look at this. It looks super good. Just added some Nutrinuggets for some protein and some veggies. And that's about it. Hi बोलो.
हाय.
मेरे वो बर्थडे पे क्या दे रही हो?
बर्थडे पे सरप्राइज.
अच्छा, सरप्राइज गिफ्ट. ठीक है, देखते हैं. So guys, usually me and my mom like usually eat like on the dining table. लेकिन आज light नहीं है तो वहाँ अंधेरा है. So we're gonna eat here, and this is what my rice looks like. Or the background noise, my mom is watching something. So this is what it looks like. It looks delish.
Why are you doing this thing with your hair?
So bye now. You can tell that I'm actually chilling with my brother. It's 10:30. What are you gonna gift me?
What do you want?
Something good.
I can give you anda bhurji if you want. I really like that.
So guys, I am back in my room and it is currently 11 p.m. and I'm actually sipping on some hot water. Now I do it like literally every night. And yeah, I think I'm gonna soon be uploading my night routine, like during like corona and shit, because obviously it has changed. Like last time I uploaded my cozy winter night routine and it was like I really loved filming that video, but now it has changed. Obviously my night routine is completely different. And yeah, so I'm sipping on some hot water right now, and then I thought, why not, you know, like just sit and chat with you guys. Like it's been a while. Like I'm not doing this like Q&A or something. It's just that I just felt like, you know, talking about some things on my channel which I usually don't. So first of all, I know like a lot of my friends and my family members tell me that why don't I post like often on my YouTube channel, and why am I so like inconsistent with my videos. So the thing is that actually I don't have a good camera, okay? Like that is the biggest problem. And it's like I have a DSLR. I do have a DSLR, but it is old. Like my brother got it like, I don't know, like 5-7 years ago, and now the model is like too outdated and it doesn't have like autofocus or something. And as a single person, it's really hard to, you know, like film basically. Like it's not easy. And then my phone, like I usually vlog from my phone, but mostly my phone is like uska storage pura bhar jata hai, okay? So it's sort of really hard, and that's why I was actually contemplating doing this vlog, because my phone was actually completely like full, okay? So yeah, that is one of the reasons why I'm very inconsistent with my videos, because soon guys, it's officially my birthday and it is actually 12:30. I've been on phone for like half an hour. I'm sorry, I'm officially old. I'm not gonna tell you how old did I turn. Just want to keep it a secret. And now another phone call is coming, so yes. So it is currently 1 a.m. and I look very happy because I am, duh. Also guys, it is my birthday. Officially I am old, and I was just literally for the past 1 hour was just totally like on phone calls, on video calls. All my friends were wishing me, and yeah, I'm just blessed to have everybody with me. Like I mean lockdown, I mean corona ke karan obviously nobody is here with me, otherwise they would have come over and we would have like, you know, like chilled and partied or something, but that's all right. And yeah, I'm just excited. And abhi बार्सिलोना का मैच चल रहा है बाय द वे गाइस. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट द होल सिचुएशन कि मैं कैसे देख पाऊँ, क्योंकि मेरे में apparently the site which my friend told me is not working and I don't have Jio TV, so that's bad. And yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Next day.
Good morning guys. So okay, I'm not in the frame. I got up around 11:15. It's 11:30 in the morning. I slept really late. I slept around like 3. I'm just making myself look nice because I'm going down to meet my mom and dad. I haven't met them since my birthday started. Like they just live downstairs, but I didn't. That's sad. So I'm just gonna see them. I'm just doing some basic skincare. And yeah, if you want me to do like another total like new skincare routine, because I've changed my entire routine, so let me know, because this one is really working for me. And it is like, I think I look fine, I look presentable. Cooper,
Happy birthday बोलो.
happy birthday.
Hi.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलो. शेक हैंड करो. गुड बॉय. शेक हैंड करो. करो शेक हैंड. करो शेक हैंड करो. शेक हैंड. अरे नहीं, हाथ नहीं खाना. चुचू पूचू. शेक हैंड. गुड बॉय. Sorry guys, this vlog is literally all over the place. Guys, I made myself a cup of coffee, and usually I drink like French press in the morning. I have like a French press with me, but so today I was just being lazy, you know. It takes like 10 minutes to make that, so I just poured myself some normal hot black coffee. So I just took a shower, and now I'm about to pick my outfit for the day. So I know like pure corona mein, like I think I've been just chilling in my PJs like literally all the damn time, but since today I just didn't want to do that. Like, you know, I want like a thoda pick me up sort of outfit, because why not? I mean, I don't want to like just chill around in my PJs. Like, I know a lot of people would prefer that personally, but not on my birthday guys. I'm not going to do that. Trying to pick my outfit for the day. I just want it to be something very comfortable and not too stylish, not too much, but also not too simple. So let's see what I'm gonna wear. I think
One eternity later.
just quickly changed into something because my mom is actually calling me for lunch. I'm wearing a skirt, a shirt, and a very deely shirt, and just like a tank top inside. I think I'm gonna change it. Just for now, I'm wearing this because I have to go for lunch. So yes. So guys, my sister-in-law made this for me. Now I've changed again, and there's a pile of clothes lying on my floor. I'm gonna show you my outfit. I am wearing this skirt which I got I think on my 16th birthday, and I'm also wearing this dress. Actually it's a dress, and I just wore it as like a top. I think it's looking pretty nice. The combination is nice, it's very comfortable, and yeah, this is my outfit of the day, and I'm gonna change it at night, of course, because girls do that, right? And I'm actually doing my makeup. Like, I just feel like getting ready, you know. Like, I don't think I've put on like any makeup on my face for like so long, so I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna straighten my hair and shit. So like I'm not gonna show you, like I'm gonna time lapse it for you guys, because I think I'm gonna be doing a whole another video on how I did my birthday makeup or something, because to be honest I don't have anything in mind like specifically. I'm just gonna get ready. So yeah, let's get started with the makeup. So first of all guys, I just want to address that I know like this vlog is like all over the place, because to be really honest I'm really like not used to doing like I'm not used to vlogging like on my birthdays obviously. So it is kind of like my first time, and I don't know like how to, you know, like I think I'm not a good vlogger, and I'm learning to be, and it takes a lot of skills to be a good vlogger, let me tell you that. So yeah, I'm learning and we'll get there. Also guys, I just want to quickly like put it out there that you know, like I've realized something like this birthday, that you know, for the past few years like my birthday has always been about other people, you know, like I'm always that kind of person who likes to celebrate with friends, with family. Like I really personally enjoy it, and to be really honest उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. Like you should enjoy your day with everybody else, with your loved ones. But I don't know, I just feel that उसके कारण कभी-कभी ऐसा होता था कि I actually, you know, never actually enjoyed my birthday on my own. Like I don't know if that makes sense. Like my birthday was more about other people than me. Like it was more about कि उनको क्या चाहिए, उनको कहाँ जाना है, उनको क्या खाना है, या you know, things like that. And I sort of kind of forgot कि मुझे क्या करना है, like मुझे कहाँ जाना है, मुझे क्या चाहिए. So I think birthdays should be like about yourself rather than other people. Like I think birthday पे क्यों pressure लेना यार. And I have always like taken this pressure like for past literally I can't even remember the last time I was like so chill and I was not worried about where I have to go on my birthday and shit. Like एक दिन पहले I text my friends or they text me कि कहाँ जाना है, कल क्या plan है, and I'll get all anxious क्योंकि मैं बहुत बुरी हूँ plans बनाने में. So yeah, that's what I've realized. And so this year I want my birthday to be more about me, which it is obviously, like, you know, like obviously it's my birthday, so it is going to be about me, but you know what I mean. Like I think I want to do things which I really enjoy, which I really like. But anyway, I since morning, like I'm going to tell you very honestly, like since last night, since 12, even before 12, like one of my friend called me at 11, right? So I have been on phone like I don't know, for hours and hours. And I get it, like everybody wants to wish you, everybody wants to, you know, interact with you on your birthday, and I get that. And definitely I'm so grateful that I have such good family and friends. But I think because of that, like I'm not taking a moment to myself.
And the last thing I took was one final moment, all to myself.
Like, you know, like I have like been on call, messages, stories and everything. I get it, like I do get it, like people like that stuff, and I also like that stuff, not gonna lie. But I don't know, I just think that, you know, I'm a little overwhelmed. Like I think it's very important for me to take some time for myself, and I haven't done that yet. So that's my little rant right there. I know it's my birthday and I'm talking too much, but hey guys, today's my birthday, so you should listen to me. So anyway, right now I'm about to do my makeup, and let me know if you like all these like, you know, sit down videos or something. Like we can do like so many of it. So right now it's I'm gonna do my makeup. As I said, I've said it like 5 times already. And yeah, let's actually start. This is gonna be my thing, this is for me, this is my favorite part. So I'm gonna go all glam today guys, by the way. I'm gonna like do foundation and lipstick and literally everything. So yeah.
One eternity.
So guys, I am finally done with my makeup, and this is how it turned out. I think it's pretty good. I think I'm gonna change it up for the like dinner party. Like all my cousins are coming, like so I think I'm gonna change it up. But for now I want to keep it. I kind of really like it. I think it has turned out pretty great. I tried taking some pictures. I'm gonna show you guys. Like, just like look. I just tried, but so guys, right now I'm sitting in my balcony, and I'm sort of really tired. Like, I don't know. Like taking pictures is a task, and also I didn't get like any good picture, by the way, so that's bad. And right now I'm just Madhumakhi. Yeah, so I was that's bad. Why the hell did she come and where did she go? Yeah. So I'm sitting here again. So yeah, so guys, right now I'm sitting in my balcony and the view from here is amazing and the weather is just too good. So yeah, the weather is amazing and I am actually gonna go get my cake. Like me and my sister-in-law are gonna go and get my cake. So there's this there's this family friend basically who is a baker and she makes amazing cake, you guys. Like if you live where I live, like you should totally like give her cakes a try. Even something as simple as vanilla, like she makes it so nicely. Like I can't even tell you the texture of a cake, the taste of a cake is so nice. So anyway, yeah, so we're gonna go in a while and get that cake from her. I have some clothes on my bed which I really need to fold, and this because probably my cousins will be here in a while, so I'm gonna clean this mess up. Let's do that. So we are going now to get my cake. Yay! Huh?
₹10 का आधा किलो, मतलब आधा किलो में 2 आम आए।
ठीक है बेटा, वो सही है, महंगा है।
वो बाद में सही।
Right now I'm actually making fresh fruit cream and I'm making it for the first time and I'm going to show you how am I making it. Looks like I've only mixed apple, pomegranate and some mangoes. So guys, now I'm finally, this is my sister.
Hi.
And yeah, so now I'm gonna get ready, like all my cousins and my relatives are gonna come in. So yeah, I'm about to get ready. I think I might keep this makeup, I'm not sure, might change it, we'll see. Let's see how it goes with the outfit. And my sister is staring at me. Useless. Okay guys, I'm ready and I didn't change my makeup actually. I quite liked it and it's going with this outfit. I'm gonna show you my outfit. This top is actually from Myntra. It's something very basic and I'm okay, like I don't like it too much, but it's nice. Simple jeans, some heels, accessories. So right now guys, it is currently actually 8:30 and my cousins are coming in and they've all come to meet me actually. Few of them are here and some will come. And don't worry, like everybody's safe, everybody's like everybody stays at home all the time and they live like really nearby, so like we sort of meet every day. So yeah, that's the thing, and there's gonna be a small like get together party sort of. So yeah, and I know I'm not doing a very good job like with vlogging, but you know it's my birthday, so just cut me some slack. I guess. So guys, this is the moment I was waiting for. Now I'm finally alone in a room and I have both of my cakes with me. This is made by my dearest sister. And this is the girl I was telling you about who makes cakes from the bakery. So yeah, now I just want to eat alone and chill with my piece of cake. I'm gonna actually, you know what? I'm gonna mix both of them. आ जाओ यार. So good.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Everybody.
On your vlog,
Yes.
this is the most beautiful face which has ever appeared on your vlog.
Yeah, you're talking about yourself. So guys, officially my birthday is over and it is currently 1 a.m. 10th August. I'm having some cake, binging on some chocolate cake. That's my sister, she's staying the night. Happy birthday! So we're gonna watch a movie. Okay, so guys, it's few days later and I actually realized that I never ended my birthday vlog. So yeah, here I am. And I really had a blast on my birthday. I never thought कि इतना मज़ा आएगा because you know corona and stuff. But I'm so grateful for my cousins and my family. Like for the first time, almost all of my family members were in the vlog, willingly or unwillingly. I'm sorry. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed making it. And if you did, then don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment down if there is anything you want me to cover. Like, I take that comment section very seriously, you guys. So yeah, you can always do that. And also follow me on Instagram. Like, I've started doing IGTVs, so that's fun. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.